We had a forensic audit, so to speak, of what transpired that resulted in teachers feeling so aggrieved and dissatisfied. What we've discovered is that of the total teaching population, actually 96.3% of teachers would have been paid. There are 3.7% of teachers who have not yet received the payment of the retroactive component. But suffice it to say, based on the information that we would have received, all teachers would have been paid their regular monthly salary, to include the 4% as well as the one-off $40,000 non-taxable. The challenge arose from the fact that the increment date for teachers created a little challenge, in that if the calculation was run straight across the board using the one formula, it would result in teachers being overpaid or underpaid. Now, we have said to the ministry that no teacher should be overpaid or underpaid. They should be paid properly. And as such, the ministry has requested of us a little bit more time to do a manual calculation. So what teachers saw was the retroactive or the arrears being paid from their increment date moving forward. So it resulted in a shortfall, because there's this component that has to be manually calculated to make sure that no teacher is under or overpaid. But this will be done, and the ministry has assured us that it is being worked on expeditiously so that the teachers will receive their money in a short order. But I want to remind the teachers, have faith. Remember, last year, October, when teachers were not paid, we had a history-making activity that month where 4 payments was made in the period of October, just to ensure that the teachers received their money. And we have no doubt that a similar situation could happen or may happen, providing that all the calculations are done and teachers will be paid. But one thing I can say to all teachers of Jamaica, not one red cent will be left unpaid to you. And that's a commitment from the JTA as well as the Ministry of Education.
Xaymaca, unity, them for no straight love we need in the community. It's time for us to unite, my brothers, my sisters. Let's join hands together. It's the only way to rise above inequality. One nation, freedom, my people, freedom.